Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have a pool like I do. Maybe you have a pond, or maybe you have a basement and you just have issues with flooding, because this is a sump pump that is going to be able to remove whatever water you need, and is pretty awesome. So this was sent over by a company called RainBro, and you're going to get everything you need right off the bat. So naturally, you are going to get a user manual that tells you about it. We're covering the features right here in the video. Now, you are going to get a nice little spool of Teflon tape. I have a ton of Teflon tape, but if you need to hook this up to your hose and all that, and you want to have an extraness to keep away from any leaks, you can use the Teflon tape. You're also going to get a couple extra washers here, so if they ever do dry out or you lose them, you do get a little replacements of these little rubber washers. Then, as you can see, here is the pump itself. You're going to get that, and then you're also going to get a nice little hose here. So this is a nice 10-foot garden hose. Obviously, you can use it with the pump, or you can use it on its own if you need. It has all nice brass connections here. It's got a nice thick rubber to it, and it's just your standard size hose, and it's got also the reinforced ends here as well. So very nice, strong hose if you can use in your garden or use with the sump pump itself. So now you can see here is what the pump looks like. To give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is about 11.5 inches in diameter, or I mean, sorry, in height, and then it is about 5 3/4 inches in diameter here on the bottom part. A nice thing about this is it has a very, very low profile as far as bringing in the water. So this thing can suck up water up to 1/5 of an inch as far as a water line. So it can get a lot of that water out of there. And it comes with a nice, super long cord. This cord is 25 feet long. So obviously, if you have, like me, a pool, you can easily reach the outlet, toss this whole thing in. It's obviously a waterproof cord as well. And then you're gonna have your nozzle here that you're gonna hook up your hose to. Now, nice thing about this is it's got multiple adapters. So just simply go ahead and unscrew it. And then you're gonna have all the different connection points here as far as what you need to hook it up. You'll notice you got the smaller threaded part, you got the larger threaded part, and then you also can put in, it's got the little kind of notches here. So if you have a big tube, you can go ahead and put that in there as well. Now, as far as this pump, it has a rise lift of 25 feet max. Now, obviously, the higher the lift it's going to go, 24 feet max. The higher the lift it goes, it's going to pump slower. So if you have a smaller lift, like for me, my pool is only 5 feet, it's going to pump a lot faster, and that's just because of it's got to take that force to push it up more uphill, if you will. It does have a 2,300 gallon per hour max flow rate. That's what this thing can do, but overall, it's just a nice, easy to manage, easy to carry sump pump that is great for draining pools, draining your ponds, draining anything, kind of places where you get lots of water that you're looking to dry out nice and quick. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a great submersible sump pump, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.